Here, danger lurks around every corner, especially when you're just the size of a grape. Like this reticulated humming frog, the perfect meal for a banded cat-eye snake. Armed with excellent night vision and an incredible sense of smell, he can run, but he can't hide. If ever he needed a friend, it's now a tarantula. Armed and dangerous. But not to reticulated humming frogs. She provides them protection. Capable of attacking snakes, tarantulas are the jungle's most unlikely heroes. This is an extraordinary friendship that few people have ever witnessed. And like all the best relationships, there's something in it for both of them. This tarantula also has a problem. Parasites she can't reach. They could be irritating to her. But these frogs dine out on them. It's a pairing so successful that frogs and tarantulas are found living together in jungles across the world. When life gets difficult, there's nothing better than having someone to lean on.